If you're wondering how to remove mosquito bites, the answer is quite simple. You can use an array of ingredients you'd normally find in your kitchen to soothe the itchy skin and get rid of the bumps left behind by the bites. 1. Baking soda. Baking soda is a common ingredient that we usually have in our kitchen cupboard. Simply make a thick paste of baking soda along with little water. Dab the paste directly on the infected area. 2. Tea tree oil. The irritating mosquito bites often have the risk of getting infected. To avoid skin rashes and skin infections, application of tea tree oil is quite helpful as it contains antiseptic and antibacterial properties. 3. Aloe vera. Another effective remedy for mosquito bite is aloe vera gel. It will not only bring relief from swelling and itching, but will also help to heal the bite as it contains antibacterial properties. 4. Salt water. Salt water is an easily available and simple home remedy that treats mosquito bites instantly. Mix a teaspoon of salt in a tablespoon of water and mix properly. With the help of cotton, apply it to the affected part. 5. Raw honey. To get rid of swelling and itchiness of mosquito bite, you may also apply raw honey to the affected part. It soothes inflammation. With the help of a cotton swab, apply honey to the mosquito bites. If you have any question, then discuss in our community or comment, like, share and subscribe our channel to get more videos.